Hello everybody, good evening. This is Ron with Mulholland Security. I want to show you a project we completed today. It's a beautiful new house here in Beverly Hills. Today we finalized this install with a bunch of fence toppers here, main pedestrian door right there, some fence panels going on the side here, sliding gate here. So all these toppers that installed today, we went all the way to the back of the property. Pretty much all of this got done today. This is all the doors that was installed today. This is all 100% aluminum. All our products are 100% powder coated. Beautiful, so there will not be any rust issues, maintenance issues, paint issues, only periodic cleaning once in a while. We also installed a mailbox within that fence, almost unseen. Ron and the crew for Mulholland brand in Beverly Hills.